So, welcome to another video. Stop. Sorry, guys. I think I hear a cat. I'll meet you guys over there. Bye. You made it to your destination. Okay, this is our destination. So that hole. So these little ones. Could you see them through the little ones, not through the big one? Stop. Sit. Good girl. Those of you that didn't know, she's a girl. Need to perfect the settings out. Okay, see you guys later. Okay, guys, I'm back. Okay, let me try to zoom in, see if it works. Does it work, guys? Tell me if it does. Do you guys see blueness? Okay, no, there's no way to see it. There's another hole. There's another hole. Guys, there's another hole over there. Ow, ow. Stop. Okay, guys, let's go. Come on, Kurama. Those of you that haven't watched my channel, ow, subscribe for cats. Okay, subscribe for cats. Oh, I poked myself. Okay, that's my scooter. I'm getting a new one soon. Now I'll make a video about it. Yeah. But Kurama hates cats. Kurama really does hate cats. Okay, guys, Kurama really hates cats. Really hates cats. Look, we have a little plant. Zoom in on that. Yay! Green fence, because my dog always also that big one. Not that one. That's from the neighbors, but that one. Yeah, I know. We don't have that much. But she's been going crazy for a while. Oh, look! You guys haven't seen. Showered Kurama. We showered her and we took off her harness. But then we decided to keep it off. It's been too much with the harness because she's been pulling on it on walks. So if she pulls, she gets choked. That's the consequences. What are you doing? Guys, comment down below on the rating. Just not bad comments. I hate... Oh. Zoomed in. It's not bad comments, guys. Oh! Welcome back, Dodge! She jumped! Go, 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 guys. Go, go. We're on the move. Boom! Fast moving. Ah! Oh! Oh, I poked myself in the nail. It's all your fault. Oh, poke you to death. Thank you. Guys, it's a bad dog. Guys, look at that. Did you look at Guys, show yourself. Show yourself. Show yourself. Don't just ping on the shed. Show yourself. I know you look beautiful. He's pinning on the shed right there. Show yourself. You look beautiful. Please. Please. When I'm making a video, you're on the show, but when I'm not, you show. Just do it. Holy crap. That scared me real bad. It's okay, Kurama. Come on. Come on, boy. Show yourself. Wait, was it up there, the cat? You guys saw that? Oh no. Yeah, he just went to there. Where is it? Guys, I gotta go. Before I broke and Grandma, I'm gonna pee or poop. Oh my god. Guys, where is he? No. Grandma, what are you doing? Look back. No, Grandma, look back. Go on. There you go, girl. Good girl. Okay, where are you? Come on, Grandma. She's really insane on getting out. Oh! And getting in. Oh! Let me go! She's digging again. Oh! I poked her and it hurt me. And I poked her in the bottom. Shut teeth. Shut poke! Stop! Stop! She's energized with that juice. We put some rock juice in there. She's drinking it all summer. She's been drinking it for like the last 2 weeks in summer. Since when? Not in a month. You spooned it in there. It's already rot. And you keep drinking it. Why don't you let your puppies drink it when you're big? Save that up, Grandma. Just save it up. Oh! I'm sorry, guys. I don't know how to name this. But, guys, I want to help you guys. I want to help you guys become a YouTuber. Just if you subscribe. Or at least a like button. I'll tell you all. Okay? In part 2, this is what you guys get for not subscribing. I'm just kidding. I'll tell you now. So, you know where she's eating the grass. Here we go. Look at this, guys. Here we go. Here we go. There you go. Ow. Don't bite me. Okay, guys. Do you know where? So, everyone, if you have 2 phones, or no matter what, by your dads and moms, the little corner, when you enter YouTube, watch the corner of the top right, no, top left, and it says your dad's account, right? Or you sign in, and it says there that you can become a YouTuber. Stop interrupting. Boop, boop, boop. That's what you get. Boop, 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 boop. Ah! Okay, so stop. Look at that deep hole. Look at that. Grandma, move. I said, Grandma, move. No! Move your patas. Guys, look at that deep hole. Ah! Don't get to kill me. Yeah. Ow! Ah! 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 Poor puppy. She bites hard. Ah! 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 Oh! Boom! Stop biting! Okay, guys. I'll leave you guys out. Bye, guys. See you in another video. Bye. In part 2, maybe. Yeah, part 2. Bye-bye.